Hey there, I'm with Schanna right now, and I feel like she's got some things that she wants to talk about. Schanna, how have you been doing with your health right now?
I've been doing really good. I've been enjoying the supports you've been giving me. They've been helping me overall and just feeling better about life and more positive and just in general being able to function in everyday life.
So what are some of the changes that, like, if you don't mind, are you cool with sharing? Like,
Oh,
why
of course.
why did you start coming to see me and just coming into this office? Why?
So I came into this office because I just wanted to find a solution to all the issues I've been having. I've been having like so many GI issues and just like
GI?
digestion issues, and just like every doctor I went to just said it, like, there's nothing wrong with you, you're healthy, you're a 24-year-old, you're healthy, there's nothing wrong with you, you're just overthinking everything, like.
Wow.
And so it's just one of those things where, like, I know what's wrong with my body. I know there's something wrong. Like, I know I've never always felt like this before. And she was able to help me and figure out, like, hey, yeah, no, you do have something wrong with your body. It's just needing a little bit of help. And right now it just needs a little, like, cleanse, get rid of some of the toxins in there, and be able to help you get better in general.
Right on.
Yeah.
How's your energy?
Oh, it's been amazing.
How's your moods?
Oh, I mean, do I look happy?
Yeah. I mean, I remember when I first met with you, there was a lot of mood stuff and energy stuff that was going on low.
I
anyway,
would just get tired throughout the day so easily, and now I'm just like, oh yeah.
Awesome. Yeah. So thank you for sharing. I really appreciate that. I know that it helps other people to know that they don't have to go it alone, and you weren't broken.
No.
And you actually just needed someone that was going to listen to you and ask better questions. When you ask better questions and you get the data points that you need, then you can pretty much figure out anything that's related to your body. That's what I've come to understand, that you're not broken, you're not sick, but you were appearing to be all of that and more. And really just wake the body up and let it do what it needs to do, and then you get better. All right, thanks so much, Schanna. Bye.
Bye.